Team Immunepass, and coming up, Team Avenger F Squad. Immunepass, am I keeping control or giving it to you?
I'd like to have the control, please.
Okay. So you can request it, or I can share it with Saad. Do I have it right?
Yes, I will request it right away.
Okay, when you're ready.
All right. So we are Team Immunepass, and we will help everyone to return to society safely. At a certain point, I need to know if my immune status, so I can return to work or to society. So let's meet Lucy. Lucy, in the coming months, will perform an immunity test. This is because her main wish is to return to her society, whether it's her family, to work, or to perform activities. But while she encounters those activities, and after she's taken the test, she is not sure how she can prove she is immune or not. So she remembers that at the testing, she got a QR code, and that's where Immunepass will kick in. It will authenticate with the data from her electronic health records. And after a quick sign up to verify it's her, she will know if she's immune or not. So in our case, lucky for us, Lucy is immune. So with the Immunepass, Lucy can safely return to society. But there are some extensibilities we like to address. So for example, Lucy can also store the vaccine data of her children in the app, but maybe also of her pets. And while she's traveling worldwide after the crisis, she can show that she's immune there as well. So for the coming time, we like to, in the beginning, we like to collaborate with electronic health system records such as Epic to run up a pilot. We'll get our prototype up and running, and over the time we will grow, and we have a wider release to address where the problem mostly occurs. By doing this, we create a continuous feedback and a loop cycle, so we can enhance the product and the service where it's needed the most. Coming with our backgrounds, we come from diverse backgrounds, but all together we have one common ground we stand on. We want to fight and tackle that when we return to society, we do not want to divide society, but bring it closer together. So, to summarize, Immunepass is an extensible platform for immunity and vaccines, serving the whole family, and maybe even your dog. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you guys. Passing it over to the judges.
So schools currently face some of these issues of, they look for immunization records, hospitals look for actual results of immunization testing. So do you have antibodies against, say, hepatitis? Have you investigated that? And do you think that there's something to be learned from those more specific examples where institutions are already checking for immunity on people?
Yes, I think my teammate Haley can collaborate.
Hello, yes, this is part of the extensibility of Immunepass, is that right now it's specifically designed to meet the needs of the pandemic. Right now it's specifically designed to reflect your immunity status to COVID-19, but the extensibility includes, in fact, part of our proposal is that it includes vaccine verification for your children so that they can go to daycare, they can go to schools. Even for your pets in the States, you know, we board our dogs and we have to prove that they have a recent and complete vaccine history. So we see that as all part of the extensibility of this platform. So we build the platform and then we add the functionality.
Thank you. I was curious also in the other direction, whether you've looked at any of the existing solutions that schools or healthcare institutions are using to track this as inspiration, as something to build on, as collaborators or competitors.
You know, there are histories available in electronic health records. To answer your question, I'm not aware of a digital solution which is widely adopted by, say, public schools. I believe that's still coming from the doctor's office in a written format, not a digital format. So maybe this is an opportunity also to expand in that way. In terms of major EMRs, Epic, Allscripts, Cerner, as well as some other key pieces used in doctors' offices. I mean, I think that there is digital opportunity, either through APIs or even a production of paper. You hand someone, it's got a QR code, they can just scan it in, and then the app actually sends that through another backend system to their school or their daycare or what have you. Much the way as we've deployed kind of smaller scale EMRs to physician offices, right? They're not on, these are independent physicians, they're not on EMRs and Cerners and they're not on Cerner, Epic, and Allscripts. They're on these kind of other solutions specifically designed for them. I can see that kind of a model working for, say, daycares or schools, right? They're not big entities in many cases. So I think we could hit it in both ways.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.